What happened?
I am sick.
Who is she?
She is my sister.
What time is it?
It's 3 p.m.
Where are you?
I am at home.
Where is your phone?
It is on the table.
What is that?
That is my necklace.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you.
What's wrong?
I lost my keys.
What are you doing?
I am reading a book.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I do.
Who is calling?
It is my friend.
Where did you go?
I went to the market.
Where do you live?
I live in New York.
What do you want?
I want a glass of water.
Where is your book?
My book is in my bag.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is fast food.
What did you eat for breakfast?
I ate eggs and toast.
What are you doing?
I play with my dog.
Who is your teacher?
My teacher is Mr. Smith.
Why are you smiling?
I got good news.
How was your day?
My day was good.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Emma.
Why are you late?
I missed the bus.
Did you take out the trash?
Yes, I took it out last night.
What's the weather like?
It's rainy today.
What is the date today?
Today is July 18th.
What is in your hand?
This is my phone.
Where is your office?
My office is downtown.
Where is your favorite place?
My favorite place is the beach.
Where is your car?
My car is in the garage.
What are you cooking?
I am cooking vegetables.
What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Tarzan.
What time do you sleep?
I sleep at 10 p.m.
How do you spend your weekends?
I spend my weekends relaxing at home.
What are you listening to?
I am listening to music.
What did you buy?
I bought a new laptop.
Who made this cake?
My mom made this cake.
Where did you park the car?
I parked the car in the garage.
Can you close the window?
Sure, I will close it right away.
What is your dream job?
My dream job is to be a pilot.
How do you get to work?
I take the car to work.
Why are you upset?
I lost my phone.
Why are you laughing?
I heard a funny joke.
Where do you exercise?
I exercise at the gym.
How was your meal?
My meal was delicious.
What is your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday is Christmas.
What did you do today?
I went shopping today.
Did you walk the dog?
Yes, I took him out this morning.
Did you water the plants?
Yes, I watered them this morning. Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, please find the link given in the description box and subscribe to a channel.